In this video, we're going over the best eyeliners in the world. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking all about eyeliner. It can be hard to find the perfect eyeliner, but in this video I'm going to break down my favorite brands, why I love them, and who I think they would be good for. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm a freelance makeup artist and licensed esthetician based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it quick and easy, and sharing all of my tips and tricks with you. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay up to date on my latest videos. Alright guys, let's get into it. First, I'm going to go over my favorite pencil liners, and the pencil liners are the ones that you sharpen with a traditional sharpener and it is in a traditional pencil form, as opposed to a crayon pencil, which although you still sharpen it, it has more of a crayon texture to it. The pencil eyeliners are great for really working in the waterline and smudging out to blend eyeshadow. They don't have as long of a wear as a crayon eyeliner, so I would recommend that you set it with a powder if you really want it to last all day, but they are really important in the makeup artist realm as well as a personal realm because they are really malleable and you can work with them. The first one that I want to talk to you guys about, this is from Mercier. It is their Inner Eye Definer, and what I love about this pencil is the color range. I think Mercier did a standout job at creating really wearable colors that do a lot more for your eye color than, say, a black and a brown. So the two colors that I carry, this is called Black Violet, and what I love about Black Violet is that it still gives the intensity that a black would, but because of that purple undertone, it'll really help enhance the eye color, especially if you have brown eyes or green eyes. It'll really help kind of bring it forward. The next color that I carry is Stormy Gray. I just love having a gray eyeliner. I think it's great for still giving that definition around the eye, but without it looking too harsh. So especially for fair skin tones, I really love using a gray and then sometimes pressing in just a darker eyeshadow to give it a little bit more intensity, but I feel like the gray kind of does enough without weighing the eye down with a dark black. The next pencil liners I'm going to talk to you guys about, I actually purchased from shopperyclark.com, and I've talked about that website on a couple of videos that I'll link in the description box below. Basically, it's run by a celebrity makeup artist named Fiona Styles. She puts all of her favorite products online and tells us why she loves them. And so I went ahead and ordered two different eyeliners. I have one, the Mineral Fusion. What's great about this one is the color. This is a soft, wearable brown. So it's great for lightly defining the eyes, especially if you're really fair but you still want some definition. But it's also great in the waterline if you're wearing more of an intense eye and you need that kind of smokiness, sultriness kind of around the eye. Using this light brown is really great because it'll still kind of fill in your waterline and complete the look without dragging it down. The other pencil that I absolutely love, this is the Antonym. What I love about this, guys, this is the darkest, richest black that I have ever used. It is still in that pencil form. It's so intense, it's amazing in the waterline. It's amazing to blend it out for eyeshadow too, as an eyeshadow base. And what you'll notice with kind of pencil liners is that even though I've been swatching them throughout the video, they have a bit of smudge to them. So it is important, like I was mentioning before, to set them with an eyeshadow because you're not gonna get the longest wear with it, but if you set it with an eyeshadow, you'll get a really good wear. But for some makeup looks, you don't want a super straight, precise line. You want something that kind of has a little bit of smudge, a little bit of kind of just a natural softness to it. And I'll show you when I swatch the crayon liners, once they're on, they do not budge. So let's go ahead and get into the crayon eyeliners. Now, I have used quite a few different ones in the past. As I've mentioned before, if you are a makeup artist or a beginning makeup artist, you'll soon find out that your kit is constantly changing because new products are coming out. You're meeting other makeup artists who are like, ooh, have you tried this? Have you tried that? So I did want to kind of just mention briefly a few of my previous favorite product loves, and then I'll go into the ones like my new that I'm obsessed with. So just a quick shout out. This is from Urban Decay. It's their 24/7 liners. And what I like about this, besides having every single color underneath the sun, these wear really well. I carry two shades. This is Walk of Shame. I do recommend that every makeup artist has not just a brown and black eyeliner. If you're beginning, that's great to start with because you can do a lot of manipulation with eyeshadow. But if you're starting to build out your kit, I would recommend that you get a good range of colors. I think eyeliner is something that can really make a big difference in the eye. You know, it's like every little decision to enhance someone's beauty is so important. And so even just switching an eyeliner tone can really make a difference between a great makeup and an amazing makeup. So the two colors that I carry, this is Walk of Shame. I just find that this is a really great little inner waterline color. It's nice because it is more of that just nude. So sometimes I'll use this if someone kind of has an imbalance in an eye, or if I'll use it in the smaller eye, or sometimes I'll just use it in the center just to kind of pull focus downward so it'll kind of open up the eye. You can do a lot of really cool tricks with a nude eyeliner. In fact, if you guys are interested in a separate video all about some eyeliner tricks that you can do, then let me know in the comment section below, because it can totally change the way that your eye looks. The other one that I carry is Whiskey. I'm probably gonna phase this out and move it to my personal stash and use my eyeliner for this because I do really love it. They wear all day, they're great, and they have an amazing color range. The next shout out is from Stila. This is their Smudgestick waterproof eyeliner. I carried just these for a couple years actually. I was just obsessed with the crayons and that's what I was gonna do. I do have some gel liners and liquid liners that if you want kind of a separate video of some other eyeliners that I throw in, definitely let me know in the comment section below because I can do that. These smudge sticks are great. They have a great color line too. What I like about the smudge sticks is that they blend really well into eyeshadow. So this is, I carry Stingray, which is like a black crayon. I carry Spice, which is a darker brown. And then I do have Espresso, which is a lighter brown. I still reach for these and I still love them. They're in my kit, but I've been obsessed with these other two brands recently and that's kind of all that I've been using. But I would recommend them. They're a great price point too, and Stila does give a pretty healthy discount for professional makeup artists. All right, next let's go into, my absolute hands down favorite pencil crayon eyeliners. Now, this one I've mentioned in a couple videos before. This is McGrath Labs. I carry these in two different shades. I have Black Coffee and Shade. Shade is gonna be a lighter, more neutral kind of brown, and then Black Coffee is just a rich, dark black brown. I really love the Pat McGrath because they're extremely pigmented. They wear well. They can go on the waterline. They can go on the lid. You can also use a brush with them. You can really use a brush with any of these eyeliners. One trick that I use a lot of the time is that instead of just using the pencil directly onto the lid, I'll take an eyeliner brush and just pick up the color, because you'll still get that amount of rich pigment to it, but it won't go on as thick and heavy. Sometimes with a pencil liner, what I like about kind of these pencils is that you can really get them sharp, but sometimes with a crayon pencil liner, you can't. So using an eyeliner brush will really help kind of give you that precision and the intensity and the longevity of a wear too. But I have to say, although I love the Pat McGrath, and my hands down #1 favorite eyeliner that I think everyone should try, and I'm basically obsessed with it, this is from a brand called Black Up. And these eyeliners blew me out of the water. What I love about them is that they are so pigmented, they wear all day, they're a great price point. I've tried Marc Jacobs, I've tried Dior, I've tried Makeup Forever, and these are hands down my #1 favorite. I really hope that they expand their color range. I think they have probably, it's under 15, I would say, shades, but they kind of have funkier, brighter colors, and I would love to see them expand their kind of neutral wearable colors. But I carry two different shades. I have the, where are you? Oh, that's weird. They don't have funny color names. They have KSO1 and KSO8. One of them is a true black. The other one is more of a shimmery brown, and that's another thing too. I want them to get like a matte brown. What I love about these is that even though they are super pigmented and they wear all day, they kind of go on thinner. Sometimes I think with crayon eyeliners, it's easy to just add a lot of bulk on the eye, and that doesn't always work that well because you're just adding layers and layers. These feel super lightweight, but they just go on so much smoother and thinner than any other eyeliner. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell in these swatches, but let me show you. So these are the Black Up ones, and then these are the Pat McGrath ones, and they just go on so much smoother and thinner. I love Pat McGrath. I'm definitely gonna keep using it, but if they expand their color range, then I will probably migrate all over to Black Up because I just love the way that they wear. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. So compared to the pencil liners that smudge, these crayons, I mean, they do not budge, like at all. Like, hello. Like I'm actually kind of pushing kind of hard and they are still not budging. Okay, this little one is moving a little bit because I just put it on, but I mean these, like, that's crazy. Let me know in the comment section below what category of makeup you guys would like me to talk about next. As always, there are more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. I hope you guys are having a great week and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.